Welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the bad image error on Windows 11 quickly and step by step. This error usually happens when system files or application files become corrupted or incompatible. First, restart your computer and check if the error still appears. Next, open the Start menu, type CMD, then run Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter to scan and repair corrupted system files. Wait for the process to complete, then restart your computer. If the issue continues, open Command Prompt as administrator again. Type DISM/online/cleanup image//restorehealth and press Enter. This will repair the Windows image and fix deeper system issues. After that, reinstall the program that is showing the bad image error. Make sure you download the latest version from the official website. You should also check for Windows updates and install everything available. Finally, restart your PC and try opening the application again. The error should now be resolved and your system should run normally. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.